Olympic champion. That's the pinnacle of sport. That's a title you earn and the one that stays with you forever. Neeraj Chopra is an Olympic champion. Hello and welcome to the Tokyo Dispatch. I'm Sandeep Menon and that was the headline. And here are the other top stories. Wrestler Bajrang Punia wins bronze on Olympic debut. Aditi Ashok finishes 4th in India's best ever performance in golf at the Olympics. Kenya's Perez Jepchirchir wins the women's marathon title. As always, the medal tally appears at the end of this video, so do stick around for that. Over the past few days, Indians have shared some joy, heartbreak and pride. It was the same on Saturday as well. Aditi Ashok lifted our spirits but fell just short of a medal. Bajrang then brought a big smile and Neeraj wrapped it up with an absolute explosion of joy. Neeraj's escapades were watched and celebrated live by millions. These images will be played and replayed. Pick your jaws off the floor, fix them firmly back to your face and bring on the noise. Because Neeraj reached the promised land and he took the country with him. He is only the second Indian after Abhinav Bindra to win an individual gold at the Olympics and first in track and field. The 23-year-old produced a second round throw of 87.58 meter in the final to secure the gold. What followed was favourite Johannes Vetter getting eliminated early, the others chasing Neeraj's mark and a country waiting with bated breath as they became increasingly sure of a gold medal but remained scared to even whisper it. Didn't want to jinx it. This is India's 7th medal and the first gold in the Olympics, India's best ever haul at the Games. India's Bajrang Punia will return from Tokyo with a bronze medal on Olympic debut. Yes, he may not have lived up to the sky-high expectations, but then again, sky-high is very high. Nevertheless, Bajrang ensured he did his country proud by outwitting Daulat Niazbekov in the playoffs to win bronze. Aditi Ashok pulled off the best performance by an Indian golfer at the Olympics but could not wrap up a medal, finishing 4th. The 23-year-old from Bengaluru ended with a total of 15 under 269, one stroke below the medals bracket. In the final round, she managed a 3 under 68. It was a heartbreaking end to Aditi's campaign. Golf was the talk of social media with many scrambling to understand the sport. This might be a new dawn for the sport in the country, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. We have seen a lot of false dawns. World number 1 Nelly Korda clinched the gold medal with a 17 under, one shot ahead of Japan's Mone Inami and New Zealand's Lydia Ko. Now let's move on to the best of international events. Dutch woman Sifan Hassan secured a second title and a third medal in Tokyo, showing some serious speed down the home straight to win the women's 10,000 meters. The 28-year-old clocked 29 minutes 55.32 seconds. She had already won the 5,000 meter title and picked up bronze in the 1,500 meters. Perez Jepchirchir secured back-to-back women's Olympic marathon titles for Kenya, timing 2 hours, 27 minutes and 20 seconds. Organizers, wary of hot and humid conditions, brought forward the start time by an hour. But even with that, many runners failed to last the distance and others who crossed the line were clearly in distress. The United States took revenge on their earlier loss to France and timed it to perfection too. The defending champions edged past the Europeans 87-82 to extend their men's Olympic basketball reign. France had handed United States their first defeat at the Olympics since 2004 in the group stages. This is the US's 4th straight Olympic medal. And finally, before we go, here's the medals tally where India has jumped up to 47 thanks largely to Neeraj's gold medal. India was 66 on Friday. With that, we wind up the day's events. Action is limited on Sunday as the games wind down, but we'll be back with the best of the games tomorrow. For the latest action, make sure to log on to DeccanHerald.com and download the app for the notifications.